Alrighty, so just a quick tutorial video. Not that many of you will need this, but I thought I would add it anyway. So obviously most of you will have internet banking and you know how to do a normal funds transfer from account to account. And you would have probably seen this stuff down here, the transfer schedule, but this is what the main tool is what we're using. So we're using normally the one-off transfer is selected. We're going to be doing a periodic transfer. Oh, let my browser load. No, we're going to change back to periodic transfer. Let that load. It'll give me an extra option. Cool. So cycle, monthly. You're just going to be figuring out the percentage of what your monthly income is. Okay, and then you input that amount. Then choose monthly. Then go into your transfer date. Choose whatever date you want it to be. Whatever date today is as your first transfer date. If you want to start tomorrow or you want to start it on the first day of your next paycheck, choose that. Then the last transfer date will be 3 months from that date. Okay, then click next, finish it off. Awesome. Repeat this process, and then just this first transfer date is going to be the date that you put for last transfer in that first one we did. So then we're ending that 3 month block, and then the second block is starting with a higher amount, and obviously ending 3 months further on again. Okay, I hope that was clear. Give me a message if any of that was unclear and I can go through it over the phone with you. Peace out.